You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Italian originally, so generally the pronunciation is from Italian, Gallucci. Yes, double L, meaning that you have to stress on the L, and double C is pronounced like CH, but because there's two, you need to stress on that ch also. So Gallucci would be the Italian pronunciation, and it's also said similarly in Spanish, Gallucci, Gallucci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.